gonna climb a volcano in 3 days.
Currently 9:30. We got Adler behind the camera. And we're about to go to Guatemala. We're gonna get in at 5 in the morning. Thanks, guys. Guatemala, baby.
All personal items must be placed underneath the seat in front of you.
Welcome to Guatemala. We're on 1 minute of sleep. Yeah. Rental car acquired.
This is incredible. If they have In and Out soon, we're moving here.
This has got the greatest picture of bacon.
I'm moving here right now, actually.
Permanece a la escucha. Permanece a la escucha.
12 de la noche en La Habana, Cuba.
11 de la noche en San Salvador, El Salvador.
Alright guys, we've made it to our parking spot. We're now gonna explore, where are we?
I have no clue.
I'm on the lookout for a hat.
I'm also looking for a hat and a towel and sunscreen and aloe and bug spray. 25. I'll buy it.
40, right?
No, 40.
Thank you, man. Dropping our gear off, then we're gonna explore some more. It's very cloudy, but yeah, still very cool. Alrighty guys, we have made it to our Airbnb. This place is so sick. Here's our patio area, and here's the view. It's super foggy out, so you can't really see. Ridiculous view. Nice little hammock. Hangout area. We're gonna hang out here for a bit, and then we're gonna find some lunch to eat. What's up, dude? Wow, this is insane. Good morning, everybody. We are on the way to Antigua. We're gonna stop in Eagle's Nest and jump in the water because the UV is like a million. How was it?
Slight under rotation, but it's fun.
Start looking out for me too. Instead of leaving me staring at my shoes.
We just finished up at the lake spot, and now we're headed to Antigua. We'll see if we make it.
We've got a couple more switchbacks left.
Oh my god!
It's gonna fall apart right there.
Insane. Can't wait to see some merch. Look at that thing. That is nuts. We have made it to Antigua.
El profeta canta el poeta y están gritando en la maqueta. ¿O qué será? Que me despierta por la noche y me hace temblar, me hace llorar.
sick arch. Now the sun's setting and it's beautiful.
We're gonna go find a restaurant we got recommended by a local in the airport. Los Tiempos.
There's the volcano.
Papasai rice and beans.
Gracias.
Tiene tortillas.
Ooh, gracias. We're about to devour this food. We are gonna need to get more food. We all got grilled chicken and Chase got a steak. We're gonna find an ATM and then tomorrow morning is when we leave for Fuego. We're waking up super early, getting some breakfast. It's gonna be super awesome and we're all very excited.
We're gonna post-game this meal with McDonald's, by the way.
Yeah, this meal, we're fat Americans, so we're actually gonna go get McDonald's now. Dang. This might be the nicest McDonald's I've ever been.
My tripod.
Oh, yeah. Did already?
I just do.
What McFlurry did you get?
Oreo.
Is it good?
Very good. Naranja tahini, biggest mistake of my life. It burns my throat.
Let me see what it looks like. We've arrived at our hostel.
Welcome to the crib. We have 4 beds, 2 here, 2 here. We have our own private bathroom. It's just us 4 in here, which is awesome, and we can lock our stuff in here with the locks that we didn't bring.
This is nice. We're gonna check out this pharmacy, potentially buy some altitude pills just in case. We don't think we'll need it, but we'd rather play it safe.
Altitude.
Gracias. Alrighty guys, we gotta get up super early, around 5:30, and be at our meeting spot at 6:30 or something like that. So it's gonna be a super early morning, and then we have a 11-hour hike tomorrow. It's 3 miles with 7,000 feet of elevation gain. So we need all the sleep we can get, but it's gonna be a great time. Super excited. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:15 a.m. We are trying to figure out if we can leave our car here, and then we are headed to the meetup spot at a church with our tour guide.
Up to bus.
There's a road I know I was gone. Hey buddy. Even though I tell myself that road is closed. Listen, lonely seabird.
When uno arriva in the mountain, normally say it's a little.
Not too long. I don't listen to the news no more.
Hola, amigo.
I can know what I just don't seem to get.
We have to get up there.
This world isn't big enough to keep me away from you. From you.
It looks like okay. We're at our first stop.
1156.
Heart's kind of pounding a little bit.
Not just a little bit.
A lot.
I can feel it in my chest. Okay. Well,
But we've got a dog now. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Seabird, seabird, fly home.
We've made it to base camp. 3,800 elevation gain. So we are all dead. We're gonna go check out the cabin now. No view of the volcano yet. This is definitely as difficult as people say, but our group is cooking. Here's our spot. This is pretty sweet. All right, we are climbing Fuego in about an hour, so Nate and I are taking a quick nap. It is very overcast, so hopefully this burns off, or we did this for no volcano. Here's our little room. It's pretty cool. All right, guys. Fuego starts now.
I'm just
Oh my goodness.
Cowards, here's the sun. We're spinning off the edge of the world. Out in the night. Never had no chance. Nowhere to go.
Oh my God.
Spinning off the edge of the world. Out comes the sun.
We're in Guatemala. Check out this volcano. Alright guys, we have just finished Fuego. We've got our dinner, our Guatemalan wine, and hot chocolate. How was that, Adler?
The hike or this?
The hike? Both.
The hike was pretty hard. That was really hard.
Yeah. We have pasta and grilled chicken. It's actually really good. It's very good. Nate, how was it?
I'm not waking up tomorrow.
Is the food bussin'?
Yeah, it's bussin'. And we have hot cocoa.
Okay. Chase, how'd you do?
Wonderfully.
Yeah, Chase actually, this was
is the
light
best
work
food
for
I've ever
Chase.
had in my life.
Yeah, the food is fantastic. All right, we're grubbing. Made it down. That was insane. And we've got hot breakfast ready. So I could not be any happier right now. How was it, Nate?
That was one of the hardest things I've done. I have a bloody nose, but lava was really cool.
Chase?
That was cake, but it was really fun.
This was easy for Chase, I'm not gonna lie. Adler, how was the overall experience?
That was the hardest hike I've done. We have the Strava stats here. It was 13 miles and 8,200 feet of elevation gain. It's pretty hard. Worth it. Yeah,
Worth it.
see.
Thank you for the possibility, my friends. It's the part of the adventure.
All right, we all look rancid. We just got back to our car. This awesome hostel is letting us shower, so we're gonna shower, get cleaned up a little bit, and then head to our new Airbnb. We have all showered at our last hostel, so we're fresh now. We're going to pick up some Little Caesars for like 30 Quetzal.
And antibiotics for Adler's infected leg.
Adler, what's going on, man?
I'm about to
Things
fall off.
happen. My leg done about to fall off because I ate the noodles from Dollar Tree. We need to get ointment from the pharmacy.
Pepperoni y una de solo queso.
Sí, sí. Gracias. Gracias.
Oh, it says 0 miles.
We have just arrived to our Airbnb and this thing is sweet. Patio area. And then a nice hot tub. We're probably gonna spend the rest of the evening in here, hanging out and just enjoying the weather. Got pretty cloudy, so I think we're gonna wait and do the lake again tomorrow. But this place is awesome. Here's my room. Super, super nice. I didn't film much towards the end of this trip. We were all very exhausted, and I wanted to enjoy it without thinking about the camera. The last few days ended up being some of the most memorable days with my friends. I had never been to a place like Guatemala before, and I didn't know what to expect. We spent our days exploring places that didn't even feel real. Everywhere we went felt like a new story. This trip wasn't really about where we went, it was about the memories we made along the way. The laughs, the moments, and the connections that you can't really explain unless you felt them. Guatemala felt like more than just a quick trip. Now enough of the sappy talk. Enjoy us trying to negotiate our way down on some cool belts we found. We are currently pulling out money to buy belts.
For $16, this is tax.
Amigos! ¿Cómo se dice belt?
Cincho.
Cincho. Gracias.
500. Give me the 20.
Wait, she went down. She said 500. 500.
Cuatro.
Cuatro, sí.
500.
500?
No.
Wait.
Give the 20. Give the 20.
No.
No. Sí.
Sí, gracias.
500. 510.
We're getting the coolest belts of all time.
Oh. And 20.
Yes.
Gracias.
Sí, gracias. Alrighty guys, this is my final selection of belt.
Sí, 36.
Blanco. I don't know how you say gray.
Blanco, ya no. Gracias a la derecha. Gracias a la derecha.
Gracias.
It's good.
These people are awesome.
Oh yeah.